At a time when it would have been completely justifiable to close the doors and lock the gates, you did the exact opposite. And on behalf of New Zealand, we thank you for that.
In solidarity with the Muslim woman, we are wearing our headscarves and wearing them very proudly.
Why am I wearing a headscarf today? Well, my primary reason was that if anybody else turns up waving a gun, I want to stand between him and anybody he might be pointing it at. And I don't want him to be able to tell the difference, because there is no difference.